एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तो मैं अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता।
राधे राधे राधे।
Mr. Cool, the ruthless, the innocent, your most wanted man.
ये काम किसी नॉर्मल पुलिस अफसर के बस की बात है ही नहीं। इसके लिए हमें स्पेशलिस्ट चाहिए।
The most wanted bhai.
राधे कमिटमेंट देते हैं तुम्हारे 10वीं पास होने से पहले या तो वो जेल के अंदर होंगे या जमीन के अंदर।
वो जो ऑपोजिशन है बहुत ही बड़ा ऑपोजिशन है, वायलेंट ऑपोजिशन है।
पुलिस की नौकरी है, गिरफ्तार तो करना पड़ेगा।
He's a dangerous guy.
मुजरिम हूँ, जान से मारना पड़ेगा।
It was all Prabhudeva's vision.
बहुत ही बड़े स्केल का एक्शन है, बड़ा ही स्टाइलाइज एक्शन है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट एक्शन था। जब तक एक्शन कर सकता आदमी, मेरा मानना है कि वो रोमांस भी कर सकता है।
तुम्हें ये पुलिस का जॉब सूट नहीं करता?
नाइस ह्यूमरस टाइप का रोमांस है।
तो मेरी बहन का पीछा कर।
बिल्कुल नहीं सर।
इनकाउंटर में मार दूंगा।
दिशा पटनी कमाल का काम किया उन्होंने, बड़ी खूबसूरत लगी हैं। हम उम्र लगे हैं हम दोनों, नहीं वो मेरी उम्र की नहीं, मैं उनकी उम्र का लगा हूँ।
For me, it was a huge opportunity to be working with the biggest star of the country. So I was very thrilled and excited.
लेकिन इस पिक्चर में एक किस जरूर है, दिशा के साथ नहीं है, टेप पर है किस, टेप पर।
Radhe is Salman Khan 2.0.
I love it.
It's a out and out धमाल, मस्ती, म्यूजिक बहुत ही बढ़िया है, डायलॉग बाजी है।
राधे जाने के लिए नहीं, भेजने के लिए आया है। और तेरे हिस्से की बिरयानी हम सब मिल बांट कर खाएंगे और बोलेंगे।
काफी शानदार, काफी बढ़िया बनी है फिल्म।
Meet your most wanted bhai, Radhe.
राधे 97 एनकाउंटर्स, उसका काम करने का अपना तरीका है।
इस कैरेक्टर को कैसे एक्सप्लेन करें? कम बात करता है, लेकिन जो बोलता है वो सही बोलता है।
पुलिस की नौकरी है, गिरफ्तार तो करना पड़ेगा।
Radhe would be a very fearless guy. He's ready to give up his life to fight for the right.
तुम्हारे 10वीं पास होने से पहले या तो वो जेल के अंदर होंगे या जमीन के अंदर।
He's a dangerous guy and he is very bad to bad people.
और प्रभु ने उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से दर्शाया है, एकदम स्ट्रॉन्ग।
कहते हैं कि कल कभी नहीं आता, लेकिन कल आएगा। I will clean the city.
Strong and soft at the same time, with a sense of humor.
जब कभी मेरी बहन होगी तो मैं उसका नाम नादिया रखूंगा। नादिया।
Of course, dangerous but stylish, lovable, simple.
तुम इतनी तकलीफ उठाकर अनजान लोगों की मदद करते हो।
नेचर।
How sweet.
उसके स्वैग में एक एटीट्यूड है।
Radhe is Salman Khan 2.0.
जैसा पर्दे पे वैसे ही बाहर भी है, ज्यादा कोई फर्क नहीं दिखता है मेरे को।
And I'm sure he found it very relatable because he's always there to help people. He's an amazing person and he's fearless too.
Some characters tailor-made, they say, you know. It's like tailor-made character for Salman sir.
Radhe is the most wanted bhai and Salman is known as bhai. So it's an ode to Salman Khan.
ईद मुबारक।
अरे इतना बारा पूरा सुन के तो जाओ। अरे सुनना।
There's the only one way I'm out of city.
Let's go.
CD Mar is very well picturized song, a lot of dancing.
We want Salman sir to dance and Disha to dance. It's a dancing song.
He was telling me that, Disha, I'm gonna make you dance this time.
Disha loves to dance.
It's like South style mixed with hip hop. It was so hard and so intimidating dancing in front of Prabhu Deva. I mean, he is a legendary performer.
Just do this.
A lot of hook steps. That's all Prabhu Deva.
1, 2, 3, 4.
It's always so much fun working with Salman sir. It's like when he performs, it's like he doesn't have a care in the world. He dances like nobody's watching. I think that's a part of his swag, and that's something that nobody can do.
No, sir is fully into the character. Even we said, no, enough. No, I will do like this.
We really had some difficult steps.
Thoda tough steps are there, but sir did it.
He didn't even once said no for anything. He improvised also a lot.
No, suddenly, Prabhu, I will take Disha and I will like weightlifting, like I will do this.
He just make it look so effortless. I mean, nobody can dance like him. He has his own style.
Song makes you dance, like the groove is there.
Devi Prasad has done that track and he's outstanding. Damn good song.
Production designer, DOP, Salman sir, Disha, it's a treat to watch.
I hope people really enjoy our song.
तो विलेंस जो हमारी पिक्चर के अंदर हैं वो बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं। रणदीप हुडा है, गौतम गुलाटी है और संगे तीनों बहुत भारी पड़ जाते हैं। तो ये बाहर से 3 लोग आते हैं और ये मुंबई सिटी को देखते हैं। इनको ऐसा लगता है कि जो मुंबई सिटी ये जो ना दूध पाव है या कच्चा नींबू या कि ये कभी भी इनको ओवरटर्न करने और कर भी लेते हैं।
गुड मॉर्निंग मुंबई। गिरफ्तार तो करना पड़ेगा।
मुजरिम हूँ, जान से मारना पड़ेगा।
लॉट ऑफ किलिंग्स हैपन।
आई लव इट।
सभी के कैरेक्टर्स बहुत पावरफुल हैं।
It's a sadistic pleasure, I must say.
इंतजार बहुत बोरिंग होता है, कुछ तो एंटरटेनमेंट चाहिए ना।
रणदीप प्ले द कैरेक्टर सो वेल। जब पर्दे पे आते हैं तो वेरी कूल बट दहशत के साथ। इट्स स्कैरी।
Mind blowing.
They're just very ruthless, brutal people.
This Gautam and Rangi are like mad people. They will do anything. They react. But main guy doesn't react. Somewhere the leadership quality must be there.
काफी ब्रूटल कैरेक्टर है। सबसे अच्छी चीज थी कि ज्यादा बोलता नहीं है।
This film, Randeep, is the best that I've worked with Randeep.
You have to believe in what you're doing. जैसे जैसे एक मर्डर होता है फिर मुझे सोचता अच्छा एक और मर्डर है, अच्छा ये बच्चे को भी मारना है। But once the director has decided, it's not to question why. It is just to figure out how to do it best.
जान बचा और निकल।
I hope people love him and hate him at the same time.
Jacqueline Fernandez has very gracefully done a song in Radhe. Appreciate that gesture.
उसने भी दिल मांगा, उसने भी दिल मांगा, मैंने इनकार किया। This song, जा परदेसी तुझे दिल दे दिया. Actually, is this the name of the song? What is the name of the song? 1, 2, 3. तुझे दिल दे दिया.
The song is also a very catchy song.
Song only, if you hear it, it goes like little retro, they say.
I knew that I had this song and I knew that we have this situation. So I asked Prabhu, I said, what do you think of this song?
Good song, good song.
Very good, sir. So I said, okay, thank you. Jackie has killed it in this song.
1, 2, 3, 4. What you did in the take?
You know, she's worked so hard that her knees were swollen, but she didn't stop at all.
Honestly, my knee, like it's 5 times its size right now, and this is just D2.
Literally giving the blood and sweat data. But she didn't even care of it.
It's not a normal choreographed song. इसमें एक मजे वाली बात है. प्रभु सर का सिर्फ एक ही लाइन था. इसमें मजा आना चाहिए.
Shabina ke steps, you know, a lot of grace to the steps because she herself is a brilliant dancer.
ऑफर कई आए पर हमने ठुकराए, सोचा रहेंगे क्या वारे.
डांस ऐसा हो कि सामने वाला देखकर खुद डांस करने का उनको मन हो. बहुत मेहनत की है.
Swelling, sprains, back aches, injuries, but we just pushed through it. So, fingers crossed.
आना जाना तेरी गली रोजाना,
टूटे ना ये याराना,
उसने भी दिल मांगा,
उसने भी दिल मांगा.
Icing it and tying it up, but she finished the whole song.
तुझे दिल दे दिया.
That's off.
Meet Mr. Cool, Avinash.
मेरा कपड़ा है नहीं वो मेरा है छोटे. My character is a little flamboyant. और याश है. ऐसा कौन बोला?
For the first time, you will see him doing such amazing comedy.
मेरे परमिशन के बिना यहाँ पर एक कुर्सी भी नहीं हिलती. किसका फोन बज रहा है? किसका फोन बज रहा है ये?
आपका फोन है सर.
Funny, eh? But whatever he does it seriously only. For audience, it will be fun.
बता देना मैं कितना भयंकर हूँ.
Having Jackie sir on the set, he's such a cool guy. He just makes everything look cool.
क्या है कि वो दिशा जो है वो जैकी की बहन है. तो दिशा मेरे बहुत एक गाने के अंदर करीब आ जाती हैं.
He doesn't know that his brother is Jackie. He is working under it.
तो मुझे उनमें उनका भाई दिखता है. Jack is very sporting. He's worn a mini dress.
And there is no inhibitions and all. He just says, okay, if the director need it, I will do it.
बहुत चिपक के डांस किया मैंने. आई डोंट थिंक कि मैंने किसी हीरोइन के साथ इतना चिपक के डांस किया है. मैं नहीं चिपका, जगूदादा चिपके और बहुत लिपट के उन्होंने मेरे साथ डांस किया है. Only he can do it. It's very funny.
Camera's ready.
क्या हो रहा है?
That was after 8 months. That was the first song that I shot.
चलेगा टाइम लगेगा भाई. 6 महीने के बाद आया.
I was so nervous. I didn't know if I could face the camera again.
चलिए ready?
You have too much time at home. You are dying to get back to set.
Ready? Perfect. It's difficult, but this is the new normal. Hope for the best. Peace. Ready? Taking. Ready?
I don't know why मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगे कि जैसे प्यार हो गया.
One more. Ready? One more.
जल्दी.
I couldn't make it because I was in Chennai. Corona, na? I was watching in Zoom call.
We all were skeptical. How are we going to shoot? But SK Production is one of the best productions in our country because they made sure we all felt really safe and secure.
Sir, do you have a mask? Mask है अभी के लिए.
हम सोच रहे थे कहाँ जाएं इस गाने को लेकर, ग्रीस चले जाएं, इधर चले जाएं, उधर चले जाएं, सब एवरीथिंग अंडर लॉकडाउन. सो वी वेंट टू एम्बी वैली.
Cameras ready.
Roll camera, roll sound.
So one of the first things we did was we decided we won't do the song on a set, making sure that everybody comes here, does it well, goes back well.
पूरा तू मस्त है अब क्या बताना, तुझसे है वास्ता.
We had to make that place the way we wanted to.
ऐसा ना हमें कभी
Beautiful is looking, yeah? ये पिक्चर ले भाई.
तेरे साथ रोजाना.
They bought bike, car, smoke. That is all Caesar's idea. Experience, not me. Caesar.
Camera is ready, huh? We can call भाई. भाई अभी तो full जोश में आएंगे. Roll camera, roll sound. On location, working is my happy space. Doing such a fabulous song. I'm super excited.
आती है तो सामने तो लगता है ऐसा खूबसूरत ख्वाब देखना.
Happy, excitement, energy, working with the greatest. I'm enjoying myself. God has been kind.
Everything went smooth. I really enjoyed. They really took care of me, and thank you so much everyone for everything.
It is not कि लात मारा तो 10 आदमी उड़ गए. This is not that kind of action.
Like this.
This is very physical action. It takes a lot to do this stuff.
Picture is action film, na? The action has to be very.
We are matching the speed first.
बड़ा ही स्टाइलाइज एक्शन है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट एक्शन था जो कि करना पड़ा क्योंकि वो करवाते रहे.
When you see it goes like fast, but what we have put the effect, lot.
The technology has gone to a different level, but that does not mean that the actor doesn't have to do the action. The actor has to do the action.
Everywhere Salman sir only fighting. No, just to set up the camera only it took I think 1.5 days.
Cameras following us, so it had to be very precise. Every punch had to be done correctly from mark to mark, so it was very choreographed action. A lot of punching and a lot of sword fighting, and there were a lot of high kicks. Doing over and over again to keep that speed and energy. I mean, you get better and better at it, but you get more and more tired as well.
Okay. Kind of crazy. Okay.
Mr. Her has done these actions. And these guys are trained martial artists.
Yeah, too good. We learnt a lot from them.
They know exactly, they choreograph it, and then they're proper fighters.
The impact with the heat, na?
Shum, shum, shum. I mean, they don't do that stuff at all. So that is all like how they would fight in real life.
I think there was a contact. I was trying it out. He's like, "Nahi, maro, you know, being Salman Khan."
Of course, the superstar down. When he hit, na, we must feel, acha, wow.
You don't want to hurt any co-actor, yeah. So one has to be careful, and one was.
They're very quick, and they expect us to be that quick. So if you were slightly even slower than their speed, they said, no, not quick.
Korean, they were very happy with Salman sir's style and the way he fight.
Go.
Yeah, see, when you're going through a climax, when the audience comes out of the theater, You know, that's the last visual that they're going to see. So for that, you need to show them.
Because of Sir's film, the scale was very big, and more than that, the emotion was big.
We need to give them an event. We need to see that when they come out of the theater, they think that money well spent.
या सबने मेहनत की ऑन टॉप ऑफ ए हिल, हेलीकॉप्टर्स के साथ और गाड़ियों के साथ, और भी बहुत बाइक सीक्वेंसेस वहाँ उन्होंने शूट किए थे.
The climax was done by Anbari, two brothers. They have did a wonderful.
अब वो फेथ है, I mean, वो पिक्चर का रिजल्ट क्या होगा बाद में. हमने सब तो हिट ही पिक्चर बनाई टू आवर बेस्ट ऑफ एबिलिटीज एंड मोर दिस टाइम गिवन इट आवर वेरी बेस्ट. खून पसीना बहा दिया और ऐसे टाइम पर रिलीज़ कर रहे हैं जो कि डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम भी है, तो हमने बहुत कोशिश की है एंड उम्मीद है कि सबको ये फिल्म पसंद आए. So I was coming from Chembur and I wanted a track, and at Sain I called up Sajid Wajid. I said, "ये सुन लो भाई, राधे 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 राधे." Got stuck in my head for something, and then from there he went ahead and made the whole song. That's how we got the song.
5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, let's go there.
Again, it's Sajid Wajid's magic. He sent me this song. 1 minute, 1.5 minutes. I told superb.
What do I say? It's a kick-ass track.
But heroism is there.
जीना खुआरा नहीं मांगता, पैसा तुम्हारा नहीं मांगता, जिंदगी जिली है मैंने अपनी ही शर्तों पे, बोल बचन साला अपन की.
Massy and very stylish also.
सारे लोग साला बोले मुझे wanted.
It's a very emotional thing because I started my first song of my life with Salman sir. अभी 100वां गाना भी उनके साथ. So I'm very happy.
Downtown in the city I'm a wanted. सारे लोग साला बोले मुझे wanted. दिल से मोहब्बत थोड़ी ज़्यादा मुझे wanted. राधे 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 राधे.
Apparently it was his 100th song since the time I saw him at some mall, and then from there today he's doing really well, mashallah.
Every song I feel that इस song में मुझे और क्या नया डालना है. Of course सलमान सर तो चार चांद लगा ही देते हैं.
Downtown in the city I'm a wanted. सारे लोग साला बोले मुझे wanted. दिल से मोहब्बत
That's fantastic.
मुझे wanted. राधे राधे राधे